Look at this side-by-side comparison. On the left is the standard default Power BI layout we're all used to seeing. On the right is the exact same dashboard, customized with rich indigo, teal, and gold. You can take a basic company logo and turn it into a complete ready-to-use theme in under 5 minutes, and you won't have to touch a single line of JSON code to do it. To get started, you only need 3 things: an image file of your logo, an existing Power BI report, and a web browser. Formatting your reports to match your brand doesn't require an engineering background. It is simply a design choice you can make in a few clicks. Step 1. Open your browser and go to pbi.amsol.ca. Drag your logo into the upload zone to instantly extract a 6-swatch base palette. Then use mathematical rules on the color harmony wheel to map out 10 distinct data colors. Finally, verify on the live preview dashboard that your charts maintain clear contrast. Using an algorithmic wheel to pick these hues keeps your report strictly aligned with your brand, while ensuring the data itself remains clear. Step 2. Scroll down to the Structural Colors menu. Here, you will set your background canvas to either a light or dark theme. You also need to define your sentiment colors. These are the specific greens, ambers, and reds that tell your viewer whether a data point is positive, neutral, or negative. Look at the tables in the live preview panel. Verify that the conditional formatting makes those sentiment colors pop clearly against your chosen background. When everything looks right, click the Export.json button to download your finished theme file. This file is automatically formatted to comply with Microsoft's 2026 Enhanced Report Schema. Because the tool generates the structure for you, you avoid the typos and bracket errors that happen when hand-coding, leaving you with a production-ready design file that is fully validated against the latest schema. Step 3. Open your existing report in Power BI Desktop. Head up to the View tab on the ribbon. Open the Themes Gallery dropdown and select Browse for Themes. Locate that JSON file you just downloaded to your computer and select Open. The entire report instantly recolors to match your exact brand palette. Brand alignment becomes a one-click deployment rather than a series of manual adjustments. You now possess a permanent asset saved to your drive, ready to be applied to any future report your team builds. If you don't want to start from a logo next time, you can also browse the LuminaBI theme gallery to find pre-made templates rated by the community. And if you're planning out a new project, there is a PDI wireframe builder that lets you export the entire multi-page report structure up front. To start generating your own themes entirely for free, visit pbi.amsol.ca. Taking the time to polish your data presentation makes your reports easier to read and ensures those business insights get noticed.